In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free donation button in Please Donate. The first thing that you want to do is hop on to Please Donate and just claim a stand by pressing the E button. Now it's going to show us this. This is going to be our stand, and you want to click on the plus sign and you can click on yes. Now this is going to give you a link. You want to double click on this link, so you highlight it and then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Open up the browser and you just want to paste this link here and press enter. Okay, so it's going to take us to this page, create a pass. So what we're going to do is call it free pass. You can add an image button. You don't have to, but you can add one. You can click on change here and just add an image. And the description is not mandatory, so you want to click on create pass. After you have done this, it's gonna look like this, free pass. You want to click on the pass that you just created, then click on sales to the side here and toggle this on, item for sale, and this is where you set the price for your pass. So let's do it for 15 Robux, and you can also enable regional pricing. Click on save changes. Now if we go back into the game, I'm just going to go all the way back here. I'm going to press and hold E. And if I just refresh it like this, as you can see, we have the free pass that we just created. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.